5. Fascinating behavior of quail. 1. Parental care. Observe the nurturing behavior of both the male and female quails in raising their adorable offspring. 2. Heartwarming moments. Experience heart-melting moments as the quail parents teach their chicks to fly and navigate their environment. 3. Chick interactions. See the playful interactions among quail chicks as they explore their surroundings and learn important social skills. 4. Foraging adventures. Follow the quail family on their quest for food as they scratch the ground and search for insects and seeds. 5. Nest building. Witness the meticulous efforts of the quail parents as they construct a cozy home for their chicks.